everyone. I'm Nisha Dias and I have done my BCom. Currently, I'm doing a degree from IIT Madras and I'm really glad that along with it, I have joined Boston Institute of Analytics. As over here, my degree is going to take a longer period of time. Boston Institute of Analytics has given me a full overview of data science within a span of 4 months. Here, I'm so glad and satisfied with the learning experience as the teaching has become so easy for me. Learning Python, Tableau, MySQL, and so much more of the coding language. It has become so easy because of the industry expert Partha, who is currently working in Colgate. The classroom experience has given me like a full hands-on experience along with the overall development of me as a person with regards to interview, going like learning about different companies, the work culture, and so much more. I'm really glad about the experience that I've had over this past few months. Thank you so much, BIA.